I'm so in love with you, honey. Pandora. Good tune, you know? Hey guys, good morning. It is Sonia from Jugmonkey Paint Company, and it is Friday. Hello, happy Vlogmas. December the 5th. Oh my goodness, starting my day as usual. Just arrived here at the shop, getting ready to have my coffee for a few moments here before I hit the road. This morning I stopped at McDonald's and got myself a large black coffee, and then just did all my additives once I got here to the shop. This morning I'm also doing a few scoops of some peanut butter. Oh man, I found this peanut butter, and I kid you not, it tastes like the inside of a Reese's Pieces or Reese's Pieces, whatever you want to call it, bar. You know what I'm talking about? The chocolate, the peanut butter center. Oh, whoever invented peanut butter, seriously, like, just somebody give that man an award, or a woman, whoever it was. It is the best dark roasted peanut butter. So good. And for those of you who are following my ketogenic diet, that on the back it does say that there is 5 carbs, 3 fiber, which means 2 net carbs and 2 tablespoons. So you know what? I had 2 big tablespoons this morning, and you know, peanut butter is just like one of those stick to your ribs. Anybody else just in love with peanut butter? So anyway, I'm so happy to have a peanut butter. How many times can I say peanut butter? But one of the cool things that happened this morning was that my son actually drove me to work this morning. I'm just thinking back to the first time when I started driving, and I just remember this morning I was just thinking about that and thinking about my very first car, which was a Pontiac Sunbird. What was your first car? Mine was a wine color, and boy, I love that car. I just have good memories about that car, right? I think it's because at the time when you start driving, you just have such feelings of independence, and like, you know, all of a sudden now you just feel so mature and like an adult, and you can go places, right? And so you have responsibilities and you have a car. And so anyway, that was my very first car, and I love that car. It was my father that took me driving, and I remember that him always having the conversation that he needed to take his blood pressure pill before he took me driving. Yes, Mom and Dad watch my vlogs too. Hey Dad, I remember those days, do you? But never caused a driving accident, so there you go. So thank you, Dad, for teaching me all that good stuff. So one of the things that we're gonna get ready to do right now is I have to head up to another shop in town that's getting ready to open. She actually reached out to me, the new owner. Congratulations on your new store. I'm gonna go check it out. I get to see a bird's eye view of what's coming into town, and I do believe it has to do with pets. So we're gonna go check that out. I'm excited. But yeah, she actually is going to be putting some Brownie Frowny furniture into her shop for her display pieces, and she's looking to basically be able to open up her shop on a budget, which, hello, paint those pieces, don't buy them new. She reached out to me and asked if I would come up and take a look and give her a price on redoing her furniture. So we're gonna go head up there. Let's take a walk through town, okay? Want to do that with me? All right, let's get ready to go. Thanks, Joe. See ya. What a gorgeous day. Holy moly. Holy moly. Guys, I love the little town of Ligoner that our shop is in. Oh my goodness. I just love it. I absolutely love it. It just, when I used to watch movies back in Canada about, like, you know, small town America, this was it. This was it. It's awesome. And all the little stores and just great people around these parts. I love it. There's always great events. I see gingerbread houses. Love it. So the nice thing is that you can pretty much walk everywhere. I love these doors. Look at these old doors right here. Oh, with those wreaths. So pretty. So we're actually going over here, guys. This is actually where all your Jugmonkey Happy Mail goes out. This is our post office right here. So we walk things up to the post office here all the time. Or probably like other businesses and people in the town see us always going by with our dolly, like with our mail packages, with your mail packages. And so anyway, these guys right here take good care of us. So there's your Happy Mail. So we're actually going over here. I'm trying to think which one is it. I feel like it's this one right here. It's this new business is going to be going in right here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yay! And here we are. Paul's on Main. What do we got here? Peanut buttery pretzels. Angel, what else? Bowser beer. Do you want to say hello? What are you putting over here?
Oh, we're serving up cigars. Yeah.
Oh my god, can you imagine the pictures that people will do?
Line for the cats.
Did you even know that they even made, what's this called?
That is a Shark Tank.
Pinot Meow?
Mr. Wonderful actually invested in
this.
this. Yes.
I saw this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how fun.
So I'm serving up
Look at those
beer
guys.
and wine for the cats and cigars. And yeah.
Cabernet.
This is kind
Cabernet.
of a twist on a pet store.
Oh my lord, I love it so much. This is gonna be so fun. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of your hair so you can keep doing what you gotta do to get set up, and I'll chat with you again soon.
All right, thanks.
Okay, see ya. All right, we are back at the shop. Oh man, what a beautiful day out there. It is a chilly, but you saw it. It's a chilly, but just a beautiful dry roads kind of day out there. It's nice to be back. Look, you can see all the rings from where my hat's been on my forehead all morning. There you go. Totally looking like, you know, part of Lieutenant Worf's family. You know what I'm talking about? That was a Star Trek reference. Yes, I'm a Trekkie. Yes, I love Star Trek. Yes, I love Captain Kirk. So I'm feeling just so good today, just feeling like super, super happy today, even above other days. I just think like, and I'm probably feeling this way because I've been sick the last few days, and now I'm feeling like I'm feeling on the other side of it, and so I'm feeling like back to my normal self. So this morning I'm feeling an extra little bit giddy. So as I walk through Ligoner, I just opened a few doors in the shops and said, hey guys, good morning. You know, just a little thing that you can do to bring smiles to other people's faces with, you know, no expectations, not in there to buy anything, but just to say hello. I just think that is so awesome. So I encourage you guys just to, like, you know what, say hello to the cashier, say hello to the person that you're kind of walking next to as you walk up to the grocery store, or who opens that door for you, or you open the door for them, right? I think there's so much that we can do. I also think that, you know, when you're sick or just things happen to you in life that's not so great, you know, at the end of the day, you just have to realize that that is just one day, right? You will get through it. You know, I always say I learn, I never lose. And also, when you go through the days of when you're feeling sick, or you know what, no matter what it is, things just don't work out for you, it doesn't mean it's going to be forever. You know, I'm just so glad to be on the other side of being sick, but it makes you appreciative of your health as well. And it just makes you realize that, you know, you kind of have to have the downs to know the ups. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go through things that maybe are unhealthy on times to be able to come at the other side and go, okay, don't want to do that again. Never gonna do that. Don't like that. Love that. You know, want more of this, less of that. So anyway, life is amazing. So today I am feeling on top of the world, and I'm gonna feel even better because let's make some lunch. Hello. On the menu today, I am making some chicken avocado bacon salad. Last night on the way home, I picked myself up a rotisserie chicken. Hello. So I like feasted on that last night, but I can't eat an entire chicken. So today I'm going to make use of what's left and go ahead and basically make myself a yummy chicken salad. So anyway, let's get going. I'll share with you the ingredients and what I got. So today's recipe, when I looked up, by the way, chicken salad, just to see if I could find something online that might inspire me, I did find one at jenniferbands.com, and looks like she has some low carb recipes. And in this recipe, just to let you know, you're gonna need some chicken breast, you're gonna need some avocado, celery, bacon, and then of course stuff to season, right? Like, you know, she calls for chives, dill, lemon juice, and then salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, which is kind of like just the classics. So I already know that that's a beautiful combo. So I'm gonna follow her recipe and see where I get. This shop kitchen is really starting to come together. You're gonna be so proud of me because today when I was out and about, I actually invested in a stainless steel bowl so I could actually have a mixing bowl. Man, I'm so glad you're on this journey. It's gonna be a good one. I went ahead, took a little more chicken off of my rotisserie chicken, and it's in my bowl right there. Put as much chicken as you need. I'm not a girl. I do lazy keto. I don't measure. I don't weigh. And at the end of the day, when I do recipes, I'm not somebody that even uses a measuring cup. I did pick some up today, but I'm not even sure if I'm going to use them, at least not with this recipe, right? So just throw it in. Just throw it in. Okay, so we've got our 2 avocados, and I'm going to show you the way Matt showed me how to do this, all right? So basically, take my knife. I'm going to do it like long ways. I'm going to do a turn, and then I have 2 halves. And then if I do that right there, let's see if it's gonna work. Come on, work with me. There you go. We got the center of the avocado out, so we can go ahead and, you know, toss that little girl out. And then to cube up my avocado, I just take my knife and I do like the grid. I kind of do like a squeeze and scoop and just get it all into my bowl. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and do the grab and go already pre-cooked bacon, like some bite-sized bacon, throw it in there. There we go. Now we got chicken, avocado, and bacon. Next up, let's wash some celery. All right, there is our celery. I just cut up a stalk of celery, washed it into the bowl. Again, chicken, celery, bacon, avocado. All right, now for the toppings. So this recipe calls for olive oil and some lemon juice. So I'm gonna put a little bit of both into here. It actually says on here 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and let me see how much oil, and also 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And now it says to go ahead and put in a teaspoon of dried dill and a tablespoon of chives. I love the smell of dill. Love me some pickles. All right, so that's good there. And now we put in a little bit of salt and pepper. So I just put in 3 grinds of each. And that, my friend, is going to be our chicken, avocado, bacon salad. I cannot positively wait. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Looks amazing. All right, let's make sure our avocado is all good and broken up. Oh my gosh, guys. I just took the first bite off camera. I completely forgot to turn it back on because I was so interested in what this tasted like. This is delicious. Delicious. And I wasn't so sure, like with the chives and the dill and the celery, if I would like it all together. Oh my goodness, this is a keeper recipe. Look how nice that looks. It's a mountain of delicious food. And again, lazy keto. I ain't weighing anything out. But all I know is these are all friendly keto foods. And delicious. PSA alert, PSA alert. All right, so those delicious pecans that we made yesterday, I put them in the refrigerator and I was just taking them out today and testing them. Oh my gosh, guys. These are so good because now I feel like I have a dessert to, I've already eaten my my plate of lunch there, but this truly feels like a dessert. And they're so good. All I did was put them in here, cover them. Like perfect. Make a whole batch each week. And then anytime you just need a little snack, grab out some pecans. In the morning when I rise, I'm so in love with you, honey. Pandora. Good tune, you know, when you get that good tune in your ear. All right, so today is the time that we do our giveaways, and it's 25 days of sharing. I'm cleaning out my studio, finding things around my shop, and gifting you guys with them, all right? Which one of you won this gorgeous, delectable candle that we put up yesterday? This is our special edition candle that we made, our very first candle ever made, given birth to. Well, nobody gave birth to it, but somebody handmade it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Supporting another local artisan. And I had them designed in chocolate chip bananas. And so I know that we just announced these in the last few days, and we still have just a few of them, but once they're gone, they're gone. So if you too want to get yours, make sure you head over to jugmonkeypaint.com and click shop, and then you'll see the candle section there, okay? And as long as it still says candle up there, then and not sold out, you can still nab one before it's too late, all right? But I got one to give away to one of you guys for hanging out with me, and the lucky winner is 15 hours ago, Roxanne Platter. Hello, girl. Hello, Roxanne. Thank you for following me. Thank you for the love. She sends in and she says, well, definitely have to get creative with those pecans. Pair these with the cute cups from the Dollar General that you shared, and you would have a sweet Christmas gift. Happy face emoji. Thank you for sharing such great ideas with us. Thank you very much. I love getting feedback from you guys, and I love getting to chat back and forth with you guys. So thank you, Roxanne. You made my day today. So these were the mugs that she was referring to, and I thought, you know what? That's a great comment, great idea, because I shared with you guys this week that I found these mugs at the Dollar General. These are $1, okay? They say like Merry and Bright, and they got snowmen on them and like Santa, and I think there's Rudolph and stuff. There's a couple different variations. And then I got this one for all of $2 as well, and it says, have a holly jolly Christmas. I love that with the buffalo check. And so anyway, this is what she's referring to. So you let them cool down, bag them up, and then put a little bow on it, whatever, a little ribbon, drop it down into here, put a card, and you've got the makings of a beautiful Christmas gift. So yes. So go grab some of these cute little mugs wherever you can find them, and then make those awesome spiced, warm, buttered pecans in my vlog from yesterday, and then just do it. All right, so that is so good. All right, so thank you, Roxanne, once again. We're doing 25 days of giveaways, and so today for the giveaway Are you ready for the giveaway? It's right here. Can you see it? Right here. So I have these really cool, you know, I'm a shabby boho collected kind of lover. These are authentic leather bracelets. They're handmade, and you know, they've got the two little buckles on them, so depending on how, like, you know, how thick your wrist is, you can make them work. I am going to share one of my bracelets with you guys, genuine Junk Monkey swag. So if you too would love to have a shabby boho collected, you know, bracelet, pretty darn cool, especially if you're somebody like me that loves to layer your bracelets, like, hello, sign me up every day of the week. Hello, hello, hello. This one is up for grabs. You guys know what you have to do. All you have to do is like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment about what you liked about this vlog, what you learned in this vlog. Just tell me anything. Just, you know, leave me a nice little comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys because that makes my day. And then every day I come back on here. So Roxanne, you have 24 hours from the point of this video being posted. So that means that for all you guys that are participating in Vlogmas and, you know, want to be a part of those Christmas gifts, make sure you check back to my vlogs every single day to see if your name is called. Because like Roxanne now, she has 24 hours to get a hold of me. All she has to do is email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com, put winner winner in the subject line, and I'm gonna need your address so I can mail that out to you, okay? Time starts now. All right, as of the time stamp of this video. For yourself, give it to somebody else. And the cool thing is I'll send you out one of these natural colored ones because it pretty much goes with anything you want to wear, right? Because it's so universal in color. All right, guys, and that brings us to the end of day 6 for Vlogmas. Man, I am having a blast. I love hanging out with you guys on here. I am so thankful for all the feedback that you guys leave me below, and you let me know that you're watching. It's fun to be able to do these videos with you guys, and then to read your you know, your takeaways, what you think about them, because that just fuels me to keep on making more. So thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. So hopefully you guys are getting into the spirit of Christmas mode. We're gonna be doing this for 25 days straight. And so stay tuned tomorrow. We'll see what we make and what we create, or what we might decorate, because I've got ideas flying around up there. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.